So a lot of people have been coming in asking how to tighten up the airborne taps that people are getting issued. So these 4 buckles in the back are actually field repair buckles. So you can remove these. Okay. They're not the easiest to remove. Okay. It'd be easier to take the mill end off. Okay. But once you get the buckle off here, you can use this buckle, move it in. You can do the same thing on these 2. This buckle is actually built to straddle the 1.5 inch webbings here. So if you put it on this side where it's not straddling, you're going to have some movement, which could be good or bad. Okay. But if you put this on the right side of this webbing, put the front on the left side of the front webbing, it'll straddle both of the sewn areas where it's not going to move. But yeah, take these buckles, move them further in, which will take up room and will help get it tighter for you.